Welcome to our video presentation. It's all about planning for earthquake. Performance Task 1. We are Group 4. Before the earthquake preparedness tips. Step 1. Prepare the go bag or something that can hold the following items. Step 2. Prepare the food tumbler or pour water and, if possible, also prepare medicine and flashlights. Also prepare the visa for emergencies and emergency hotlines. Step 3. These are the necessary before we're equipped. We need them for our own good and safety. Add 1. Bag. Add 2. Alcohol. Add 3. Cotton or bula. Add 4. Medicines. Add 5. One of the important is food. Add 6. Mediplus. During the earthquake, drop, cover, and hold. Drop, cover, and hold. After the earthquake, we're going to the safe area. What? The end. Thank you for watching.